Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Clue, and we're back with some more Temu tech. If you don't know how this series works, basically I, or Zoe in this case, has gone off and spent £25 on Temu, which is like a Chinese marketplace. It's like Wish.com but slightly better. So we choose a category and we spend £25 to find out just what we can get for our money and whether it was worth it. So this week, or this month, I have no idea what Zoe's bought. I gave her the budget, she's gone off and bought stuff, she's chosen the category, she's chosen the products. So what is the category for this episode?
Health and fitness.
Health and fitness tech. So you've gone off and you've found how many products?
3.
3 products for £25, all in the health and fitness category. So I guess we'll just jump right in with the first product. Thank you. It looks like an eye mask. This is an eye mask, most definitely, but there is something special about this eye mask because right in the middle of it is the word music, and there appears to be 3 buttons. A play pause and a volume up, volume down. So go on, you're looking at your phone.
Sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones.
Sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones. I mean, it does what it says on the tin. It's definitely a sleep mask and it definitely has some Bluetooth headphones in it. If I just, there you go, you can see them in each side. They protrude out quite a lot. They're quite big, so I wonder if they're going to kind of dig in, particularly if you're lying on your side. But I guess let's power it on and try them. Oh, okay. So straight away, the eye mask is putting quite a lot of pressure on my nose here. It's well padded, but almost too well padded around my nose, which I'm not a fan of. Also, the adjustment on the back is Velcro, which is just a little bit of a pain to get just right. Other than that, though, I think it's pretty good. In terms of sound quality, it's fine. You probably aren't going to be listening to music with this thing on anyway. This is more for like audiobooks or for like listening to nature sounds and that kind of thing. You know me well though, because I did need a new eye mask. I've been using one recently, haven't I?
Yeah.
And it is a beautiful pink number that we have. It's just one that I found in a drawer somewhere. I don't know where it came from. So to have a slightly nicer, well padded eye mask with the Bluetooth as well, because I do like to listen to my audiobooks, I think this is a pretty good deal. How much was it?
Take a guess.
£8?
£11.49.
£11.49. I mean, is that a good rate for an eye mask? I don't really know.
No idea.
No, I don't really know what they go for. To be honest with you, I think that's pretty good. The eye mask does what it needs to. It blocks out lights. And having the ability to play audiobooks or sounds is actually pretty cool and quite useful. Well done. Okay, and we've got product number 2. This looks like quite a big one. Go on. Oh. This is a portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. Okay. I'm having a look on the side here at some of the RPMs on it and stuff. I really don't think this is going to be able to do much, but I am intrigued. You got me. Did you specifically choose the purple colour? Was that a conscious decision?
No.
No? Oh man, it looks...
I think it was on that setting anyway.
When you bought it. Yeah, fair enough. It looks okay. I mean, it's pretty hefty. Considering on the top of it, it's got a cute little smiley face. Okay. He's happy that you've bought a juicer. I'm going to go ahead and take the paper out. Oh, I lost the lid. Now, I presume pressing the power button is going to start the blades up, right?
I'm assuming so.
That it does. Okay. I don't know if you can see in the bottom there, there's a blade which appears to have 6 little things. Spins at about 20,000 RPM, which is fairly fast, but I think if you put it under any kind of pressure, it's going to start to struggle. I am noticing on the front here, this bit appears to be a sticker. It is. I probably wouldn't peel it away too much, but that is definitely a sign of quality there. The button can be peeled straight off. Under here, you've got a micro USB for charging. I kind of want to do an experiment, and it could end up with me losing a finger, but we'll go with it. Yep. So I'm going to take off the actual barrel here.
Don't you dare.
Do you think it's going to have a safety mechanism? So that do you think it's going to run if I press it without the actual juicer bit on?
No.
It doesn't. It's smart enough to know when the cop's in there.
So it does have a safety feature.
Yeah. Which I don't. Why am I applauding it and surprised that it has a safety feature? Why? I mean, it's cool. I would actually use it. How much was it?
Well, for £5.59, I wasn't expecting it to have a safety feature.
£5.59, and it has a feature to stop you losing a finger. So I guess in a minute we'll go and put this through its paces. I think there's a banana in the fridge. There's some frozen berries, and I think we've got some ice cream. We've got like vanilla ice cream.
I know you've got the frozen berries and the ice cream. I don't think we've got a banana.
I basically want to stick a few things in here and see how well it blends, because I really don't think it's going to do very well. However, for like a protein shake or something, I guess instead of having to physically shake it, you can just I'm not sure a blender is meant to make that noise when you shake it.
Oh dear.
Lifting up the lid, I can actually see that. Hang on. It's a screw lid. You have to unscrew the lid. Okay. It has like a little filter on it.
Oh, okay.
I presume that filter is to filter out some of the crap. Can I just put this lid directly on it? Because what if I don't want the filter? Yes. If you don't want the filter, you can just put the lid on. I actually really like that. And for £5, that's really good. I actually think that was a really good value for money. You did well there, Zoe. Well done.
Okay.
I'm saying well done. We haven't even tested it yet. Let's go over and give it a test. Okay, so we've got the blender, and what is the epitome of health and fitness, Zoe?
Berries.
Ice cream and a milkshake. So that's what we're going to try and make.
Oh, of course.
We've got vanilla ice cream. We do have some frozen berries, yes. We've also got some milk. So I think it's going to be interesting to see how it deals with the frozen berries particularly. I'm going to have to try and fight with this ice cream first to get it out.
I'm sorry, the ice cream scoop is packed.
There we go. How much ice cream are you meant to use on something like this? Probably more than that.
One more?
One lump or two. Maybe we'll. God, I hate ice cream. Do you know what? That's something you could have bought on Temu. A heated ice cream scoop. If someone hasn't made one of those yet, please do, because that would be really, really useful right now. Loved frozen berries. Right. That went about as well as I expected. I do have a load of frozen berries now sort of strewn all over the shop. I'm really not holding out much hope for this blender, by the way. So lid on, and I guess we just hope and pray. Should I put the I'll just put the lid on. I won't bother with the like strain a bit.
Okay.
Okay, so put your predictions in the description. Put your predictions in the comment section down below of how you think this thing's gonna do. Zoe?
I don't think it's gonna do it.
Do you know? I think it might be doing it. I think it might be. I don't know whether that was... It flashed red at me. So have I broken it, or...
Maybe it's the battery.
No, it doesn't like frozen berries. I think we've broken it with some frozen berries. Either that, or it might be too thick. That's yes, it's thickened up too much. So let's give it a fair whack and give it a little bit more milk to try and save this. Although I think it might be past the point of saving.
So instead of a smoothie,
it's now what we've done is we've made berry ice cream.
cool.
However, you can see that it's definitely changed colour, so it's definitely at least got rid of some of the... There you go. I think we just filled it up too much, honestly. Okay. So I guess now we just give it a try. That is frozen berries and some milk and ice cream.
It's not too bad though.
It's not too bad. Considering it was £6, I'm going to give it a pass. It's definitely lumpy. I'm just going to try and get it on camera there, just how lumpy... Oh, God. How am I going to get this on camera?
Yeah, you're in shot.
Just how lumpy that is. It's tried, bless it. So, before we continue with this last product, Zoe, I think there is one thing that we have to tell the audience. And that is, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen, then one, lucky you. And two, go down there, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. So, your last product, I have actually stopped with the running total. I think this one's going to be like £6 or £7, right?
£6.53.
£6.53, what did you get me? That was a good throw. It is a Simpson Lab smartwatch. Ah, a smartwatch. Yes, a cheapo smartwatch. This is harkening back to the old days of Review Clue. Fun fact, do you know what my best video is on YouTube? What my best performing video is?
No idea.
No idea. It was a budget smartwatch, just like this one.
Huh.
It garnered like 100,000 odd views. I don't know why. That video particularly did very, very well. So, maybe this video will do just as well because of a random black smartwatch. So, straight away, I actually quite like how it looks. Obviously, it's going to look like an Apple Watch because every company wants their watch to look like an Apple Watch, right? But I like the black on black. You've got the little dial on the side there. I'm assuming it's not like a digital crown that can be turned, but still looks nice enough. Also in the box, got the straps. Pretty standard, boring old plasticky straps, rubbery straps. And the little charging dock as well. I'll get some close-ups of all of this in a little bit. Turning it on, you can tell it's definitely a £6 smartwatch. The screen's viewing angles are, I think, actually the worst I've seen on a product like this. For £6, I wasn't expecting good, but I think I was expecting better than that. I think.
Okay.
swiping upwards, got some of the controls. There appears to be a phone on it, so I can actually call people directly from the smartwatch, if that's something you wanted to do. There's a contacts list. That's quite a cute little face there. I like that. That's a nice little face.
Oh, that's cute.
Nice. To be honest with you, for what was essentially £23, I think, in the end?
Yeah, £23.61.
You've done pretty well. The eye mask I will actually use, even if I don't use the Bluetooth feature on it, I'll actually use the eye mask.
Yeah.
If the blender works as well as we expect it to, I will probably use it.
Or even just for the protein shakes.
Yeah, even just for not having to shake a protein shake is well worth it. And the smartwatch, I probably don't have a use for it, but if you were wanting a way to easily count your steps or track your heart rate, I guess for an older generation or a child's first smartwatch, it might work quite well. So there we have it, guys. That has been Temu Tech. What did you think of these products? Why don't you let me know in the comment section down below? And of course, my name's been Robert, that has been Zoe, and we will catch you in the next one. Adios.